we woke up and we came to McD because my sister likes ice cream. Yes, Smriti? Yes or no? This is the rice with karela ki sabzi. So this is the chana rice. Then I have made this cold coffee. It's amazing. It tastes amazing, guys. Hi, local outlets. It says Afnan. Then, but we are heading towards Sangam. The truffle, that ice cream, and then we are at Corner House before we went to Sangam. This is so good, guys. Black Forest. Ice cream, nuts, hot chocolate sauce, and cake. Smartwatch for her because I mean not me, but my Pranav got because 12, she 15, can't see.
12:15. I can see time. Right?
It's 12:15. No, it is 12:17. So second watch she doesn't know how to see. So this also she told 2:30. Prati, see there are dots.
Yeah, the dots.
Then the third watch. What's the time?
The third watch, it is 2. 2:12 or something.
How can it be? So guys, we went to California Burrito and we got this burrito for free because if you refer someone, then if you get that code, then it is free. So here it is, and this burrito was absolutely yum. We got the paneer one and it was amazing. And we went to watch shop to adjust the strap of this watch. Then we got ये हम California burrito से इतना free में ले आए. So this was 3 glass. एंड ये हम एक और एक ग्लास मांगने में शर्म आ रही थी तो बट हाँ इतना ले आए हम. बा रेखा बा जूस पीऊ छे बा નથી પીવું બાને જૂસ
બોસ પીશે જોજે હજુ આપો કરશે જો જોજે તું
હો
જો
બા જૂસ લો બા
આપો તો લો ને કેશે
तो ग्लास आपको
અડધો છે બા
आपको ग्लास आपको
હા તો પીવા
આખો ગ્લાસ જોવે છે
साथी जो तो
બા મસ્ત જ્યુસ છે પીઓ
अब तो करो तो तब लोगों
ગ્લાસ ભરી નાખો તો કે આવું શું
પીવું છે કે નથી પીવું બા હું પાછું લઈ લઈશ
तो जो करे वो नो ले
ઠીક છે
નો લેવા